Understanding Delayed Train, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, delayed train. It's a common term you might encounter while traveling or in daily conversations, especially if you are in a region with a busy railway network. So, let's dive in and understand what it means and how to use it in context. Delayed train refers to a train that is not on schedule. This could mean the train is running behind its expected arrival or departure time. Delays can be short, like a few minutes, or longer, depending on the situation causing the delay. Understanding this phrase is important because train delays can impact your travel plans. Train delays can happen for various reasons. Some common causes include bad weather, such as heavy rain or snow, technical problems with the train or the tracks, and issues on the railway line, like accidents or obstructions. Sometimes, delays are due to operational issues within the railway system, like signaling problems. Now, let's see how to use this phrase in real-life conversations. For example, my train was delayed by 30 minutes this morning. I might be late. There's a delayed train on my route. Due to a delayed train, the platform was crowded with passengers. Dealing with train delays can be frustrating, but here are some tips. Check for updates regularly on the train company's website or app. Plan for extra travel time if you know delays are likely. Stay informed about alternative routes or transportation methods. I hope this video helps you understand the phrase, delayed train, and how to use it effectively in English conversations. Remember, being aware of common travel-related terms like this is essential for smooth communication, especially if you're in an English-speaking country. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.